Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at the market. There was a big crash, a big dump. To be honest, we're expecting this, but not this low, right? Because my buy order was at $40 and $40,000 and $39,000. But we went below that, and this is Ethereum. Ethereum came to this support. And just for the record, the next support for Ethereum is not here. The next support is somewhere around here, which is here. That's about 1770. Well, the only thing that will make Ethereum drop from this point to this point is if there's another sad news or bad news in the market, or if we're in a bear market. But I doubt we're going to get up to this level 1770. It's going to be a straight reversal back up. Alright, let's take a look at the news. Green shots, institutional crypto funds see first inflows in 5 weeks. Well, this news just says that the big guys in the world, the rich guys, are buying more crypto. That means when the market tanked, you guys actually sold off your crypto at a very cheap price. Not a smart thing to do. Bank of America says stablecoin adoption and CBDC is inevitable. Now this is coming from Bank of America, right? Just in case you've not been around, a few years ago, these same banks around the world were actually fighting cryptocurrency, calling them a scam, calling them Ponzi scheme, and now they're saying they are inevitable. I know you might be like, okay, stable coins are not cryptocurrency. Well, we have stable coins that are cryptocurrency, real decentralized cryptocurrencies such as UST. Just that a lot of people don't know about it. Moving on, Meta unveils Metaverse AI supercomputer, claims it will be world's fastest. I'm going to read this a little bit. The social media giants say that the AI research supercomputer is already operational, and it expects it to be fully completed around the middle of the year. Right, so I'm going to read this quote. Ultimately, the work done with ROSC will pave way toward building technologies for the next major computing platform, the Metaverse, where AI-driven applications and products will play an important role. I see these guys are trying to drag the market, but let's see how it goes. Moving on. This news says no regrets for New York's mayor receiving his first Bitcoin paycheck during the dip. Oh, sorry. Now, just in case you're not aware, the mayor of New York actually announced a while ago that he'll be receiving his paycheck in Bitcoin. And fortunately for him, I'm not going to say unfortunately, fortunately for him, he got his paycheck right around the period when the price of Bitcoin was going down. Right? Why I say fortunately for him, because you know, it's good to buy during the dip, right? And the paycheck came during the dip. So yep, that means he actually bought the dip with his paycheck, and that is good for him if he's keeping it for long term. So Bank of Korea completes first phase of digital currency pilot. Well, just in case you don't know, guys, this is actually the reason why banks around the world have been trying to stop cryptocurrency, because they have a plan of launching their own centralized cryptocurrency called CBDC. And CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. Moving on, Russian tech and political executives denounced crypto ban proposal. So there was an article that was flying around that Russia actually banned crypto. But this is a news that reverses all of that. Alright, El Salvador buys its cheapest, El Salvador bought 410 Bitcoin as price hits $36,000 per coin. So the president of El Salvador have been buying lots and lots of Bitcoin. So he might end up being, now listen, he might end up being, the most stupid, president in the world, and end up losing all his money, or might end up becoming really rich for buying a lot of Bitcoin, right? And I think he's going to be extremely rich by the time the prices goes up, because in the long term, Bitcoin always does well, right? Looking at the last news for today, crypto YouTube content creator falls victim to hack and scam attempt. I think this was the news where someone lost about $1 million. Let me see. Many crypto YouTubers got hacked today, all publishing a scam video at around the same time. Oh yeah, I saw this news, right? Their accounts were hacked and a scam video was posted, and people lost a lot of money. So you gotta be careful out there, guys. Let's read. Investors can send USDT and other BSC coins. This is the Binance Smart Chain. These accounts, that is really sad, right? So be careful out there, guys. Don't send money anywhere. Anywhere you see. All right. Okay, now let's look at the market and see how the market is doing. So Bitcoin is around 36,100. It fell to $33,000 yesterday. Ethereum is still below $3,000. Binance Smart Chain is below $500. Cardano is around $1. I don't think it broke one. It went below $1. XRP is 0.5. Solana had lots and lots of bad news over the weekend, but it's still holding up pretty strongly. And I think Luna is going to flip Solana, because Luna is doing extremely well. Because mostly because of the UST that Luna has. Polkadot still holding up really nice, and yeah, this is the UST that is minted out of Luna. Alright guys, that's all we have for you today. Please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video.